Hello everyone! I am here again to guide you on how to graph the quadratic function in general form. Let us draw the graph of the quadratic function y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 1. There are only 5 simple steps to follow. The first step is find the vertex and the line of symmetry. Remember that if the quadratic function is written in the general form, the vertex can be found using the formula for h and for k. H is equivalent to negative b divided by 2a and k is equivalent to c minus b squared divided by 4a. The line of symmetry can be obtained using the equation x is equal to negative b divided by 2a. In our example, y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 1. Solving for h, we have 2, and solving for k, we have negative 3. Therefore, the vertex contains the coordinates 2, negative 3, and then the line of symmetry is the equation x is equal to 2. Second, we need to plot the vertex. In our example, the vertex is the point 2, negative 3. Third step, on one side of the line of symmetry, we are going to choose at least one value of x and compute the value of y. For example, if we choose x is equal to 0, therefore y is equivalent to 1. Fourth step, we need to plot this point, and this will serve as our second point, and then reflect this on the other side of the line of symmetry, which will become our third point. And finally, we have step 5, connect the points by a smooth curve. And this is now the graph of the function y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 1. You see, graphing the quadratic function in general form is very easy. Just follow these steps. Step 1, find the vertex and the line of symmetry. Step 2, plot the vertex. Step 3, on one side of the line of symmetry, choose at least one value of x and compute the value of y. Step 4, plot this point and reflect this on the other side of the line of symmetry. And step 5, connect the points by a smooth curve. Thank you for watching.